Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 1, Part B. Shade one more small square so that the diagram has rotational symmetry of order 2. First, let us understand what is the rotational symmetry of order 2. It means that shape is rotated 2 times for 90 degrees around its center, which is ultimately same as the rotation of 180 degrees. Then we shall check which box to fill to achieve the symmetry. Let's first identify the center of rotation and mark it as green for the reference. Now we shall mark a corner as red to just mark the starting point for rotation. To demonstrate rotation, let's use a tracing paper with same shaded boxes so that we can see the original position 2 for comparison. Now rotate the tracing paper to one fold, that is, the 90 degrees. As we need to calculate symmetry for 2 folds, so we shall rotate the tracing paper once more for 90 degrees. Now it's rotated to 2 folds, the 180 degrees, so we can clearly see that shading this box will bring a clear symmetry to the shape. That is the answer. Great! Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.